So students, now we will revise the properties of ratio. Ratio is A is to B. Then this A is called antecedent and B is called consequent. It is almost equal to the fraction in which A by B is there. Then A is numerator and B is denominator. But remember, ratio and fraction are the different thing. If ratio is A is to B, this A is called antecedent and B is called consequent. Second property is duplicate ratio of A is to B is A square is to B square. Means square of antecedents is to square of consequence. Triplicate ratio of A is to B is A cube is to B cube. Means cube of antecedent is to cube of consequence. Subduplicate ratio of A is to B is square root of A is to square root of B. Subtriplicate ratio of A is to B is cube root of antecedent is to cube root of consequence. Reciprocal ratio of a ratio A is to B equals to B is to A. Means in place of antecedent, there will be consequent. And in place of consequent, there will be antecedent. So the reciprocal ratio of A is to B will be B is to A. Now, compounded ratio can be obtained from between two or more than two ratios. So first of them is A is to B. Second is C is to D. And third is E is to F. Then compounded ratio is product of antecedents, that is A into C into E is to product of consequence, that is B into D is to F. So it is ACE is to BDF. So write them in your notebook. So we will now start the questions related to these ratios. Using all these properties, we can solve the questions of question number 2A, like if A is to B equals to 3 is to 4, A is to B equals to 3 is to 4 is given, and B is to C equals to 6 is to 7. And we want to find first A is to B is to C. So how to find this? So read the ratio once. A is to B equals to 3 is to 4. B is to C equals to 6 is to 7. B is consequent of first and B is antecedent of second ratio. B is the consequent of first ratio and it is equivalent to 4. A is to B equals to 3 is to 4 and B is to C equals to 6 is to 7. In second ratio, B is antecedent and it is equivalent to 6. In first ratio, B is consequent and it is equivalent to 4. So 4 and 6 are not equal. So first we find their LCM to find A is to B is to C. So what is the LCM of 4 and 6? We know that LCM of 4 and 6 equals to 12. So we have to make this number B equivalent to 12. For this, first we write A is to B equals to 3 is to 4. If we multiply antecedent and consequence both by 3, B will become 12. Means 3 3s are 9 is to 12. Means A is to B is also equivalent to 9 is to 12. And at the same time for B is to C, 6 is to 7. B is equivalent to 6. So if we multiply both by 2, it is 12 is to 6 to the 12, so 6 10 to the 14. So B is to C will be 12 is to 14. So B is equivalent to 12 in both the ratios now. So we can write A is to B is to C equals to 9 is to 12 is to 14, which is the answer of this question. And in second part, sorry, we have to find NA is to C. So how to find this NA is to C? When we know that A is to B is to C is 9 is to 12 is to 14. So first if we find A is to C, it is A 9 is to C 14. And to find NA is to C, we will multiply only A by N. So 9N is to 14 will be the answer of second part, as we have to find NA is to C in second part. Now question number B, find the compound ratio of we have to find the compound ratio of 3 is to 5, comma 8 is to 1, comma 7 is to 9. So we observe that the antecedents are 3, 8 and 7. So it will be product of antecedents 3 into 8 into 7 is to product of consequence 5 into 1 into 9. You can use this product symbol also to find the product. Now we can observe that, as I have told you, that they are almost equivalent to fraction. So if you convert it in fraction, this is rough work, or you can show also 8 7 are 56 is to 5 3 are 15 will be the compounded ratio of 3 is to 5 and 8 is to 1 and 7 by 9. Hope you all must have understood this theory. If consequent is 15 in place of 5, 8 is to 15 it is. So we can use 15 also. There will be no problem in using that also. In place of 1, as it is actually 15. By mistake, I have written 1. So we can use 8 is to 15. 15. So now no one can be cancelled. 8 7 are 56. 15 3 are 45, 5 are 225. Okay. So the answer is 56 is to 225 then. If it is 15 in place of 1, then also it will be correct. So very easy questions.